Hello everyone, welcome to Vedant classes. So today we are going to talk about EVS class 3rd first chapter, that is Poonam Stays Out. Okay, so here is a girl whose name is Poonam. So she said to her ma, "Please let me go to school today. I have been at home for the past 2 days." That means Poonam is staying at her home and she wants to go to her school. Why she wants to go to her school? Because she is getting bored at home. "But you still have fever," her mother replied. "Go outside and lie down on a cot." That is a replied by her ma. So her ma said that you are unwell, and until and unless you are going to be well enough, then only you can go to your school. Until then you had to lie on a cot and just take a rest, proper rest. Poonam fell asleep on the cot. Suddenly, something fell on her face. When she got asleep, so at that time what she actually identified that something is fell on her face. Poonam woke up at once and touched her cheek. Like we also did this when something fell on our face. So what we did, we tried to see it by touching with our hand that what is it. So what she get to know that, oh no, whose mischief is this? That means that's a kind of a bird poop. So she said, "Oh ho, what is this?" Then, is it the crow or the pigeon? Now she is guessing that it's a crow poop or a pigeon poop. It seems it's the crow. So she is just guessing around that whether it's a crow's one or the pigeon. So she said, "I think it is a crow's poop." After that, Poonam looked up. She saw many animals on a tree. So what happened when the poop was fell on her face? So she just looked up. So what she observed that there are so many animals on the tree. Which animal can you spot on the tree in the picture? Write down their names. So you had seen in the picture which is given it. So here are number of animals. There are so many animals. Can you identify them? Do you know about them? Just observe it. Let's see. Oh yes, we knew about it. Are you? Okay, so the first animal which we saw is pigeon. The second one is squirrel. Yes, crow is also there. Yeah, a black faced monkey is also there. Two butterflies are there. Ants are there. Yes, there is a parrot as well. And two more birds are there. Just name them. If you know about it, then name them on a comment section. Let's begin. After that, what happened is Poonam picked up a leaf from the ground and wiped her cheek with it. But her cheek was still sticky. She thought, "Let me go and wash my face in the nearby pond." Now what happened is, because it is sticky on her face, so what she did, she tried to wipe out, but it's still sticky and she disgusted that feeling. So what she thought, I should wash my face. So where she went to? So she went to her nearby pond. When she went to a pond, what she observed, which animal did Poonam see at the pond? See, there are a number of animals in a pond where she went to wipe her face. So now name them. Do you know about it? Just think about it. Oh yes, we knew it. Oh, there is a goat. Tortoise is also there. Oh yes, there is a crane as well. Oh, frog is there. Yes, so there are so many animals. There is buffalo as well. So what we can say it as that there are so many animals, and could you name them? After that, different animals move in a different way. Can you act like the animal seen at the pond? See, there are the number of the animals which is inside the pond, and which animal makes what kind of a sound or a movement. Try to make similar sound. So what they said is that there are some animals, whatever the animal is given in a picture or which we already had discussed, and whatever the animal which you also see it in your nearby places. So what you observe, do you know about their sounds, how they sound like, yeah, how they can move from a one place to another. Different animal move in a different way to go from a one place to another. If we want to go from a one place to another, how can we go? We can go through a walk. How a bird can go? She can fly. So some animal walk, some crawl, some fly, some swim. So it is dependent upon their locomotory organ, or we can say the organ by which they can walk or swim. Like how the bird fly, because she has a feather. Why we couldn't fly? Because we didn't had a feather, but we had a feet, so we can walk. See, there are some examples on a right side, and what you had to do is you had to make a sound of them, like dog. Do you know what kind of a sound dog did? Yes, it is bhaw bhaw. And cat, meow meow. Lion, tell me, what about a lion? It's grr grr. Frog, it's croak croak. Goat, meow meh meh. Crow, cow cow. And what about a cuckoo? Just comment me on a comment section. After that, you must have seen so many animals too. So write which can fly. So there are some examples which you had to find out, like what kind of animal can fly, who can crawl, who can walk, who can hop, who can wings. So these are the animals which I am going to discuss just now. Like if I am talking about a can fly, yeah, butterfly can fly, pigeon can fly, parrot can fly. Can crawl, who can crawl? It's lizard, snake, tortoise. Who can walk? It's cow, buffalo and ox. And who can walk as well? Yeah, it's dog and cat as well. Who can hop? It's frog, kangaroo, hare. Have wings? It's pigeon, cuckoo, sparrow. You even seen in your nearby birds, they had a wings, so that's why they can fly. Have feet? Cow, goat, bear. They had a feet, so they can walk. Have a tail? It's monkey, cow, buffalo, cat, dog. You even knew about it that the cat, you had seen ki cat can jump from a high building. So how they try to maintain their balance? It's through her tail. Yes, through her tail they can maintain their balance. There are 3 pictures, undrawn pictures, which is not completed, and you had to identify them. So the first one is, you can try it in your books as well, it is given there. The first one is a dog. You had seen it's not completely, so you had to complete it. The second one is fish. The third one is butterfly. So you had to complete in your notebook. After that, what we will do, I hope you like my videos, and I hope you even get the point what I am teaching you. If you are having any kind of a problem, you can ask me on a comment section. So the next activity is, it's an activity which you had to play. Spend some time under a tree, observe animal carefully. Name the animal which can be seen. So what you had to do, you had to spend some time under a tree and you have to observe the animals carefully. On the branchy, that what kind of animals is living at a branch, on a leaves, on a trunk, on a ground and around the tree. So you had to write all these names on a comment section. After that, now the next activity is, now arrange this animal in the order of their size, smallest being the first. See, here are some examples which is given. There are the number of animals, and what you had to do is, you had to write these according to the according to the size. जो सबसे छोटा होगा that will be at the first, like termites, these are the smallest, then it could be ant and so on. So it is smallest to a largest one. So I hope you like the session, you like the chapter, and I hope you understand as well. So if you like my video, then please do subscribe my channel, and you can share it with your loved ones as well as your friends. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.